Morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spices Media, and I'm at Blackpool North, and it's Friday. It's Friday the 13th, I think. So I'm having a little trip to Liverpool again, back to that Tune Hotel, because it was really nice. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve.
Hello, it's Fat Sandra, but I'm not fat.
And together, we're Spices Media. The sun's behind me, so it's just Yankee Doodle Dandy. Oh, I've got that sun now, and have we got the station? I don't know, I can't see the sun. Let's get up here. Let's get the sun behind Sainsbury's, and then it doesn't blind me. No, it's not having it. It's not having it. I'm having a crafty fag, and then as I say, I'm off to Liverpool again. So I hope you're all well. I'm okay. I've had a hectic 24 hours of dashing around here, there and everywhere. So for now I'm going to leave you there. I'll catch you later. It's Fat Steve, it's Spices Media, on my way to Liverpool, to the Tune again. It was that nice, I've got to go back. But this time I might do a bus ride and a few other interesting things for you. Catch you all later. Morning everybody, Fat Steve, Spices Media. I'm at Liverpool and I'm heading down looking for a bus to Anfield. Thank you very much. So, stand 6, number 17 I think we're on. So, it was a long train journey, a lot worse than normal. It stopped at every fucking stop there is, all the way from Blackpool. It probably took an hour and a half, I think. It's normally under an hour. So we're looking for this bus, stand 6, number 17. We got stand 6, number 17. So I'm looking for stand 6, number 17, but I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's over there. Is it? Where? So we're stuck at these lights for a change, and we're off, folks. We're off. So looking at this, we're heading down here. But why am I in the road? I don't know. So there's this big St John's shopping centre, and what a fucking weird way to cross the road. It's very, very, very windy today, and I'm coming round to an area where I don't think I've filmed before, and I've been studying drone assist all morning, and it's acting up a little bit weird. It's not showing any of the zones. So I'm on full wide. I'm going to pull back a little bit, or rather zoom a little bit. That's probably about enough. Got this big building here, that's nice. And I say I'm looking for stand 6, I think, but I don't know where the bus station is. Another big beautiful building there, looks like some sort of gallery. I don't know, is this the bus station? Could be, you never know. I think it is. Courtyard it says. apartment building. Don't know what it is. So I'm coming to this bus station now, and I'm gonna need all my wits about me. So I'm gonna have to leave it there, I think. And Jesus Christ, I'm falling off this curb. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave it there. This is Queen Square Central, which must be the bus station. So I'm going to leave it there for now, and I'll come back when I know where I'm going. Catch you later. Ooh. Where is he? Where are you, Fat Steve? Where are you? I'm in Liverpool. Well, I'm outside the ground. I don't know if it's classed as hallowed turf here, like it is in Manchester. So we've got the museum tours here at the front, and we're coming round the side. We've got some statue here of some bloke. Alright, who's that? Bill Shankly, I don't know. I don't do football, do I? So I'm just having a little ride round here, LCC Superstore, and what I'm trying to do is get this end for all these pay boxes. Trying to get over here somewhere. I'm trying to get the drone over. You'll never walk alone. Well, you might not walk alone, but you might fly alone. Come fly with me, drone. You can't put your drone over this hallowed turf. Who can't? Right, so I think I've got some public land over there. Although that could be a couple of dodgy enough. So we'll have a little look. And we'll have a little see. Look at these fancy steps, folks. Look at the size of that place. Oh, it's a bit big, Stephen. Now, as I said, oh shit, it's too fucking windy. Yeah, it's too windy. So, I'm doing a little tour. I'm at this end of it now. And I'm going to have to leave it there, folks, because it's much too windy. But I did ask security about a bus to the other football game, and he said it's just down here somewhere, not far away. So that's Johnny. That's just nothing to do with football, means anything whatsoever to me. This is all just nonsense to me. So he says down here, and then there's a path. It's quite a big looking ground, quite imposing. Oh, there's all, look at these tiles here, I don't know if they're former players or what. You know, some people that come here and have a look at this and they have their dick out, and to me it's just a load of nonsense, football. Just people being paid for what was a sport and is now not a sport anymore, it's just a business. What's this? Liverpool Memorial. Oh, that's nice. Lovely, folks. Lovely. Survivors bench. Survivors of what? I don't know what happened. Was it that crush? Was that here? Was it that fire? Where the policeman's here caught fire? I don't know. I don't know anything about football. Nice big sign up there. Players entrance. Oh, look at this, folks. Are we going to have a Porsche coming out of here in a minute? The players entrance, folks. So we're at the players entrance. and I thought we were going to have a Porsche coming out, and it's not, it's just a lorry. And his tailboard's hit the ground, so we'll leave that. And what have we got here? All this shite around here, mad things. Right, where's that other football ground? Is the other football ground down there? Goodison. There's two football grounds, isn't there? This is one, is the other one down there?
Go down there, sir.
Thank you.
And you'll see it.
Thank you very much, man. Sorry if I've insulted you. Cheers, man. Thank you. So what the fuck's this? Some weird thing. So I asked that security guard if he was really sick. There's such rivalry between these, I think. That wind's quite bad. It's a shame. It's really nice round here. I'm quite surprised. I thought it'd be just everywhere be a shithole. Now we've got a Stanley Park here, a bit like Blackpool Stanley Park, and plenty of open spaces around here. Some training fields. Now then, let's just insult this man. The other football ground, which way, please?
That's Liverpool.
Yeah, but there's another one. There's two in Liverpool.
Everton, over there.
So straight, follow this path.
Follow the path. Follow the path and just, you can see it from here.
All right, thank you.
At the bottom of the hill, you'll see it.
Right, thank you very much. God, they don't like telling you how to get there, do they? Fucking weird. So, a nice big park, but it's just fields and nothing much else by the look of it. Stanley Park regeneration. He says I'll be able to see it from the bottom of the hill. I'm at the bottom of it. Oh, that could be it over there. Let's have a look. You wouldn't have thought they were that close, would you, when there's such rivalry? So that's quite odd to think how close they can be. All right, calm down. Lost in the park. I don't know if they're seagulls. I don't know what they are. There's a nice looking memorial thing over there, but I don't know what it is. Let's just trim this in a little bit. And it's not as wise. It's very, very windy. And, he said we can see this ground from over there, and we can. I looked out the window and I saw a magpie in a rainbow. The rain had gone, the sun had gone, and I saw you, poor child. I can do anything. I'm still a child, and the only thing misplaced was direction. Now I've found direction. There should be some magpies there, but you probably can't see them. And because I'm completely senile, I'm just stopping and admiring this view. Just everywhere, I'm surrounded by people taking the dogs for a shit. Foreigners sat on benches, chatting on phones to Guatemala and places. Nice big Labradors. Wind. It's very nice here. Very nice. This guy looks like a YouTuber. I don't know. Could be. Could be. Do you know how you get to that other ground? How do I get to the other football ground, do you know?
Here.
Down here, okay.
Yeah, down here, and you will go.
Thank you.
Street.
So I can see it over there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's a nice bit of park, Stephen. With a nice big house behind it. Do you know, I'm quite surprised there's some nice things here, because normally the pigeons fly upside down over Liverpool because there's no worth shitting on. That guy's just sent me the wrong fucking way, I think. There's people walking down the path there towards that ground. So one ground's blue and one ground's red. And I think, I'm probably wrong, but it's the same in Manchester. You've got blue for City and you've got red for United. And I think, don't get me wrong, it's all to do with Protestant and Catholics. But I would think there would be Protestants that support the Catholic team, and possibly, shall we go down there? Possibly Catholics that support the Protestant team. But I mean, we've got Rangers and Celtic, one's blue and one's green. So that's Catholic and Protestant, I think. And as I say, I'm imagining, I don't know, but some of you people that like football probably know. That fucking mate, that rain's coming on me now and I've not got to this other ground yet. And I'm just amazed that there's such a beautiful park. If we look over there, beautiful woodlands, really nice. Liverpool, folks, Liverpool. Now I normally do the Albert Dock and all different places, and I'm trying to do something different this time. So I had come to that first ground I've just been to with the intention of putting the drone up, but it was too windy. I don't know if it's going to be as bad here or not, but it'd be nice to get a bit of a drone of a football field, wouldn't it, I would think. So this lady is probably going to tell me how I get to that ground. We'll just avoid her with a lovely dog. Do I get to that football ground down there?
Yeah, Goodison.
There's one I've been to there and there's another one here.
Yeah, Goodison, if you go through,
Yeah.
like, straight down.
Alright,
Round the pond, you should be able to get to it.
thank
Or
you.
you can come out the gates here and turn right to go to it.
Alright, thank you very much. I keep asking people, I keep saying how do I get to this football ground, and they go, what football ground? Fucking, she's on about Goodison, something or other. I thought Goodison were a motor racing track. Anyway, I think I'm coming up to a main road here. I'm behind some strange looking person in strange looking shorts that I'm trying to hang back from, because I don't want to get arrested for filming her. What's the easiest way to that football ground, please? The one that I can see in the distance.
The blue one, Goodison.
I've been to one and there's another one.
Anfield, there's one just down there.
You can go out and ride and you will see it on the left.
Alright, thank you very much. See, the same again. I'm probably 200 or 300 yards away from it and they're asking me which one. It's fucking crazy, folks. It's fucking crazy. It is just here somewhere. It's on the other side of the road. So, shall we dive across this crossing? We don't want to get splat in Liverpool. The Abbey, your local pub. So I'll film some of these cars a minute while I get a fag. This is a bit like Dixon Road at home. I call it Dixon Road Racetrack. So we can see the ground at the end. We've got a fag lit now, that's the important bit. And here we go, folks. So let's zoom a little bit, and then we're not permanently on wide angle. So as I was saying, one of them's red and one of them's blue. But I don't know which is which. I think red's possibly the Catholic and blue's possibly the Protestant. But who knows? Walton, Fazakerley, University Hospital, Aintree. So, we've done the 2 football grounds for you folks. And I don't do football. And this has got gates here that appear to be closed with some sort of memorial on them. I don't know if the main entrance is the other side. Some sort of museum here. And how are we going to get round here, folks? We'll have to... how are we going to get round here? God, this sleeps a bit like Cheetah Hill at Manchester. So I think the entrance is probably around the other side of this one. We've got some sort of memorial here for somebody. So it's like a wall, isn't it, with memories of all different people, I think. And I think the proper entrance, yeah, as we look down here, as we look down the side, yeah, as I look down the side, I think the entrance is on the other side of it, so I'm going to head down here. Alcohol, no alcohol beyond this point. So these gates are shut. It's got all these plaques on this wall, and is this the entrance? So let's just ask this gentleman, which is the front? Which is the front? This, can I go in and film? No, I'll fly my drone if I can't go in and film. I can legally fly my drone. I'm not going to argue about it, I'll just fly it. The drone assist says I can fly it. All I want to do, I've just filmed that other football ground. I just want to drive up there and back round here, then I've had a little look, if I can. Say again? Yeah. Yeah, no I won't, don't worry. Let me put my fag out. Cheers, man. It's a bit windy for me drone. I said I was going to take the drone over there, but it's like DJI Media and the others, they'll come and they'll argue for an hour when you say you can't have a drone, but they know they can because you look on the app. Thank you, man. Cheers, all the best. I'll not be a minute. I'll only go there. So, I've managed to get in here. So we're in the Everton ground. This is the other one. Reception, captain's table. So I think we've pulled back as far as we can. So I don't know why they don't want people in. This is nice. Where he says I can go here is beautiful. Look at it, it's like a mosaic. So that's very, very nice. And in true fashion, it's starting to rain. So I'm going to wind it up when I get back out this gate. So Goodison, so this one must be Goodison Park. Sir Philip Carter Park stand. So I was just ranting before, I'm not filming you, I'll film myself. The difference, like Man United and City, Celtic, Rangers, the colours, is one Protestant and one Catholic.
Years ago there was
So in theory now the Reds are the Catholics, the Blues are the Protestants, or is it not frowned upon as much?
now, but years ago, Everton were Catholic and Liverpool Protestant.
Lovely, thank you. A buzz back to the centre of Liverpool or the pier head, do you have any idea? A bus to the pier head.
The shop is across the road, bus going that direction.
Thank you very much. Cheers, man. So, I'm at Everton. I've got another little wall here. I'll get this little wall behind me and I'll do an outro. So, I'm outside this Everton ground. We've got a bit of this fancy wall behind me and I've shown you the two football grounds. I'm going to get the bus now back into Liverpool, and it's a bit early for this hotel yet, so I'll catch you all later, folks. Fat Steve, Spices Media, on the loose in Liverpool. It's not Fat Steve Cox, shut the fuck up. Hi everybody, it's Fat Steve.
Hello, it's Fat Sandra, but I'm not fat.
And together, we're Spices Media. So bye everybody, Fat Sandra and Fat Steve, Spices Media.